Keep going.
Yours is up too high, damn it.
Just hold it down.
This is not working.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry.
Come on, you guys. Put your hips into it. All right.
Oh my god, seriously.
Yeah.
We lose.
Come on, Shannon. You got to pop that balloon. Grab his hips and push.
Use your hands.
Bust those hips.
I don't think this is.
Use your hips.
It's not working. Okay, I'm done.
All right, use that nail. Pop that balloon. All right.